I hold the dog while we do it. Should we put Penny on YouTube? Just carry her. Come here. Get over here. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Here we are with our guest star, Penny. This is Hank's dog. Very cute, obviously. We love dogs here. But we got this Urus behind me. This Urus is a really, really cool colorway, and it's matte black, as you can see, just like the Range Rover. We're going to be doing a full wide body on this thing. This belongs to one of our good friends, Dandy. He owns that hat company that you guys have seen a lot of guys wear, and he wanted to go wide body, so he's getting new wheels, wide body carbon fiber kit. It's going to stay satin black, as you can see, and we're going to make it a whole lot nicer. So yeah, contact us if you want to do your Urus. Even if it's an older one, we're doing great deals, packages on them right now, so hit us up. All right, guys, we're standing in front of this really, really nice Range Rover. This is actually the SV version. You don't see many of these because they're so expensive. You could tell easily with the front fascia. As you can see here, you have different emblems. These have a border around them. You have a different grille. They have the straight slits. It has the black Land Rover in the front as well. And then down here, a lot of people don't notice, all these straight slits right here is also for the SV, and the lights are on the bottom as opposed to here from the regular one. So that's how you tell the difference between a $130,000 Range Rover and a $200,000+ Range Rover. As you could also see, this has the factory matte black paint from Range Rover, which is beautiful. They weren't doing that before. We were wrapping these things satin black all the time, but now it comes in this amazing colorway. It has really nice wheels that come with it for the SV. It has some different stuff on the fenders, and the interior is a little bit more luxury. But other than that, it's pretty much the same car as the Range Rover, standard one. But this car came in because the rear bumper was hit, and we got him a new bumper. We painted it, we put it on, and then we cleaned up the car, and she looks gorgeous again. So really, really nice themed out Range Rover here. Even though it doesn't have a kit, this is an SV. I mean, look how classy that looks in matte black.
Sunshine, where she's gone, when she's gone, know where she's gone.
How's your Friday going?
So far, so good. Very productive. We're trying to, I call Friday's definition is called crunch time. It's crunch time. We got a crunch time. Crunch time basically means it's time to get shit done. Simple English. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get stuff done. We're trying to get things done. Cars, shipments, wheel shipments, body shop cars completed, customization completed, a million things completed. We have 8 to 9 hours to do it, and Fridays to us is very important because that's what makes us, gives us that drive to come in Friday morning and work with energy.
You wanna recommend the lower arm, lower arm, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, another one with 3 arms.
I have a Porsche Macan GTS. All right, so this Porsche was in an accident. The right rear wheel is destroyed. As you guys can see, bumper is off the car. We have a lot of repairs to do on this thing. But this thing was hit pretty hard. Let's show you guys. So, as you guys can see, I'm gonna do this really quick. All right, so we got, as you guys can see, we have 4 fingers here. From here, this car was hit this way, okay? So we got 4 fingers here like that. This is interesting. This shows how hard the impact was. So yeah, we're about almost an inch off over there with a bigger gap. So we're gonna have to change a lot of stuff on this car. We are doing the, there's 3 arms on this car. We're gonna do the 3 arms. We're gonna also replace the knuckle. We're gonna also replace the hub and bearing, and that should do it. We need an alignment afterwards, and then we're gonna retest it, check it again, make sure everything's okay, and go from there. So keep you posted on this car, and you guys will see when it's all done.
20,000 a day, that'd be really good.
Fresh.
Have you lost any weight?
It's just back and forth here.
Yeah. If you walk
Can you just leave that there, so I know what the fuck I'm doing, or does it matter?
it's here. It's right here. Just tap it,
So how many are you supposed to walk?
and it tells you right here.
Because
10 to
15, 20,000 is really good.
How much?
15, 20,000 steps is really, really
Yeah.
good.
And you're already doing,
Half of that.
let's say, I mean, you're already doing 10,000, you know? You're already halfway there.
She's just trying to make out with him.
Look at her, she's such a little. Esa madre. Para los pasos de que camina.
¿Y para adelgazar o para bajar peso o para...?
No, nomás para decirle cuántos pasos hizo.
Nomás.
Have you lost any weight? Like, have
Yeah.
you weighed yourself?
Almost 6 pounds.
Hey, that's good.
What do you want to say? Happy Friday?
Yeah, Friday.
Happy Friday.
And almost this car is done. Everything is going perfect.
Thanks, Susan RDB. I can help
You're
you.
doing beautiful job. With Moses.
Yeah. He speaks good English.
He does.
Yeah.
Why do you get scared?
I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm surprised he didn't hit you.
No, he's Pedro. Martin, there's a BRABUS customer coming. All right, so this an update on this Lamborghini, you guys. Coming out very nice. We're trying our best to, very, very happy with the team, honestly. We stayed here yesterday, midnight, yes, midnight, to try to catch up on this car. Customer needs this one quickly. He wants it, he wants to enjoy it, so we're trying to make it happen. So yeah, this is only day 2, and the car is halfway done. We got the complete Vallarta staff here, trying to put the Lamborghini Urus together. You want to know when you feel like you're in Mexico? When you come to this section. This section is literally 10 feet away from the rest of the shop. When you come to this side, that's just, you hear the tradition. You have music playing in the background. You got people yelling and screaming. You smell tortillas and stuff in the microwave.
We have tortillas.
Yep, he has tortillas, he's right. Let's show you guys. And I'm not joking. Okay, when you come back here, it's like Mexico. Look at this. These guys got a full-blown refrigerator, tortillas, everything. Carne asada, everything. Got everything here.
Hola, hola, dos. Hola, 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 dos. Estamos aquí haciendo un pequeño detalle que ajustes todavía que le faltan a las cosas. ¿En español? Hoy estamos haciendo algunos detalles, ajustes que le faltan a esta cosa, pero esperamos que vaya a quedar bien. En el proceso estamos y ahí les dejamos saber más adelante las consecuencias de los cambios que se le hacen a los carros. Oh, en español, yo lo dije en español. ¿Es fine? Sí, porque no puedo hablar inglés. Yeah. Thank you guys.
Javier's losing a lot of hair. He's getting older. We're trying to film, man. Hold on for a second. What are you doing, Javi? Yeah, he's tired. Fridays, he doesn't talk too much. He's a little quiet on Fridays. You know, he's tired. You guys remember this Jeep that we did? Bubblegum pink wrap, beautiful. It's back here for a couple of goodies. So we're putting a nice LED bar on top, a double stacked LED bar on top to give it more light and give it that nice look, that off-road look that the customer wants. Javier's customizing the brackets to make it work, and we have a lot of wiring to do to make the wiring work. Shut the fuck up for a minute. Yeah, so he's gonna do the electrical, some wiring work. He's making custom brackets to make it work. Yeah, and that's it. See you guys later. Good job, Bobby.